Hello guys, and welcome back to brand new video. Today's topic will be all about programming languages. Also, I will give you a bonus app for those who watch video till the end. So let's start. And before starting, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Now let's begin. All the apps included in the video will give you a basic to advanced knowledge about the language you choose to learn. Also, in the end of each course you will receive a verifiable certificate. So now have a look at our very first app. Great Learning. Great Learning is a free courses on in-demand skills to make you job ready and help you upskill. This app has a rating of 4.4, which is actually pretty good, and has courses like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, marketing and finance, digital marketing, IT and software, etc. And this app is completely free to use. So give a try. Coming to number 2. Our second app is Programming Hub. And it has a rating of 4.7. And it is a coding and programming app to learn HTML, Python, JavaScript, C, C++, Java. But this app is not completely free. You have to subscribe to the app to get all complete courses and certificates. So give it a try. Coming to our third app, or I say apps. The creator of Programming Hub has also create separate apps to learn separate languages. And here is the list. All the apps link will be given in description. Learn C, learn Java, learn Python, learn PHP, learn Swift, learn R, learn HTML, web development, learn Kotlin, and lots more. So enjoy. So now, as we have talked about lots of app in just few minutes, so now I'm going to unveil bonus app of today's video. And our bonus app is Decoder. It is a compiler, a mobile coding IDE to build projects, code and learn algorithms. So that's it for the video. In just under 2 minutes you can now download and start learning languages to start your programming journey. And I hope you liked the video. I know the video was short, but I am always straight to point. So please understand. And if you liked it, subscribe to the channel. I meet you next time. Bye bye.